right, welcome on board the Disney Treasure, the newest ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. We are here for a 7-night sailing, so be sure to check out our full and complete Disney Treasure playlist where you will see all of our daily videos, our full and complete ship tour, and this video, a tour of our accommodations. This is an inside stateroom, so there's not going to be any views or any balconies or anything like that, but we'll show you what all it has to offer. So let's go ahead and get it started. Our tour of our room on board the Disney Treasure begins right now. So the forward part of Deck 11, we can access this little interior hallway from the port or starboard side, and here we find room 11025 with the little Nemo hanger there. Let's head inside and take a look. Going over our entrance area right when we come in. Now we do have this door here. This is a connecting door to the room next door. So if you're not traveling with anyone in that room, just stays locked on your side, on their side. Makes no difference. But if you are traveling with people in this room, you can open that up and connect to them as well if you would prefer. You also have your little light switch area here, so you'll put your key to the world card or some other card in the slot there to activate the lights and the power. This is your main overhead light, and as it says there, you can hold to dim it, and there's a little night light there as well. You have all of your assembly station and emergency information here on the back of the door, as well as the peephole with the cover, deadbolt lock, and your room occupied hanger. As we enter the main part of the room, there is a little hanging hook here mounted on the wall, and then we will have our sofa, nice big long couch there, a couple of pillows, and a little table that slides in and out. Now we'll turn back around and see this little wall where we'll find our thermostat, control the temperature of the entire room right there, as well as the full-length mirror mounted on the bathroom door. And behind the door we find the bathroom with our hanging hooks on the opposite side of the door as when we enter, and we have our towels hanging right across from us above the toilet. And then to the left, we have the few shelves there with a couple extra washcloths, makeup towel, and lotion. Then we're going to have our hand soap and our bar soap as well on the sink vanity area here. And then down below, we'll have our garbage can and some storage, extra towels, things like that. You'll have your illuminated mirror vanity area. And then you're going to have the plug there, usually for an electric shaver, and then a hanging hook near that as well. And as you see on the light switch here, you do have the main lights for the bathroom as well as the night light. The night light is this little orange light that comes out from beneath the sink. Now next to all of that, we're going to have our tub shower combo. Yes, this is not the split bathroom that you've come accustomed to on Disney Cruise Line. This is all in one, but it is a nice big tub shower area with the glass door instead of the curtain, which I am a big fan of. Pop it open here. We still do have our laundry wire, or clothesline, I should say. Comes across and connects in there. The removable and adjustable shower head one there, and we have shelves inside the shower space, and then our body wash, shampoo, and conditioner ready to go for you in there. All your controls down below. Like I mentioned, it is a tub and a shower, fully tiled here, and you do have the grab bar with the light and the fan as well. Now back outside the bathroom, we will find our main closet area. The two doors open up, revealing the two different areas. PFDs stored up above. Then we have a small hanging section on the right, a full hanging section on the left, and a lot of area to put your suitcases or shoes down below there. You have your laundry bag should you need that. Any laundry facilities or you want to take care of on board, they do have those, or you can do laundry services as well for a charge. A little tiny safe tucked away in there, and then a couple of cubbies to store down below. Next to that, we'll find our desk and vanity area. You see the several shelves there on the wall, the drinking glasses, and the phone mounted up away, out of the way, away from everything. That's the way we like it. And then we're going to find some plugs hidden up underneath here. We see we have the standard US outlets. We also have, looks like a USB-C there, and then the European outlet as well. So lots of nice options. And then you're going to find this switch, and it is labeled again, mirror and ceiling. So the left one will control this light around the mirror, and then the right one will control the main lights for the room, the ceiling lights. Down below, we'll find some storage drawers. This one has some information here, a hair dryer, as well as a warm mat where you can put like the hair dryer or a hot iron or something if you're using, not really an iron, but like a hair straightener, you know, those kind of things. You can store those down below. And then the big one here lower is your like little mini fridge area, which is not very cold. I wouldn't rely on this. It's just going to keep things kind of cool. Next to that, we find this tiny little drawer with our stationery, our room service ordering little menu thing there, pen, all that good stuff. And then you have the little ottoman stool seat thing down below that, and your trash and recycling can next to that. Beyond that, we will find our wall-mounted television, and it does not move. It doesn't flex or pop out or anything. It is stationed firmly right where it is at, but you do have access to the back side. It's out from the wall quite a bit, so if you need to plug in a streaming device or anything like that, you shouldn't have too much issue with it. Oh, I was mistaken. Quick correction. This does pivot. You just have to do it from this side, and there we go. Now it's coming out and actually moving a lot more than I thought it would, so it was just kind of stuck in there. So good news. This can move around. And next to that, we find our main bed space here. So you can see we have our queen size bed, and there is room down below. It's open underneath if you want to store things. Have the little bedspread there with treasure on it, and then our treasures, our nifty gifties that they gave us for the inaugural season in the Castaway Club. We do appreciate that. This room, the mural happens to be Luca. So every room on board will have a themed mural. It depends what deck you're on and what location as to what movie or franchise you will have. Ours happens to be Luca. I love the beautiful sunset there. That is nice. Now on either side here, you can see we have the little nightstands with the drawers that pull out, but what's on those sides is a little bit different. Both of them will have the wall-mounted lamp and reading light that can pivot and move, and you do have the knobs for those there. They will also have the downlight light switch and the artwork light switch. So kind of lights up the mural a little bit more there. Now this side is going to have the European plug, whereas this side will have the two US plugs and the USB-C plug as well. But it has the same light switches up above that, and then both sides have the pull-out drawer. But I just noticed, though, that this European plug on this side of the bed actually has a standard USB and then a USB-C kind of right there in the corners of it. Just a few more things to show here. Number one, we do have our themed artwork over on this wall. Here, let me turn off the mirror light. It's kind of causing a glare there. The TV is too, but you get the idea. It's a Luca map, and so it will match the theme of whatever room you're in as well, with your main artwork above the bed. Now, the other thing I want to point out, you do have a privacy curtain here to separate the two sleeping areas, because this couch can also convert to a bed. Now, your stateroom attendant will take care of this for you, but let me show you how easy it is to do it. I have not attempted this yet. I say let me show you how easy it is. I don't know. Maybe it's not. We'll move the table out of the way. We'll grab the pillows here. And then I believe it just should jackknife just like that. Boom. We've got our bed space right there. Now there is no Pullman up above it. A lot of rooms you'll see where you can pull down like a bunk bed. This particular room does not have that. So it is just this sleeper sofa and the main bed space. Well, there you have it, friends. That is our tour of our inside stateroom on board the Disney Treasure. We hope you enjoyed that. Again, I'll remind you to check out the full Disney Treasure playlist, where you can also find our daily videos, as well as that full and complete ship tour. See all of the public areas on board this amazing vessel. And hey, we are travel agents. We partner directly with Disney Cruise Line. We're authorized Disney vacation planners, and we would love to help make your dreams come true at sea with Disney Cruise Line. The best part, there are no costs or fees whatsoever to use our services, and you'll never pay a single cent more to book with us than you would direct on your own. So please feel free to reach out via the travel agent information. You can find it in the description of this video. If you've recently booked your Disney cruise within the past 30 days and you're not paid in full, you can transfer to our agency. That's also free of charge, and then we'll be able to assist you the rest of the way. So either way, we hope we will hear from you soon. Once again, I want to thank you for joining me for today's video, but we're signing off. See you next time. Happy travels!